Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you about one mouse from the HP. So I have purchased this mouse recently. It's a gaming mouse, HP M270 backless USB wired gaming mouse. It has 6 buttons and 4 speed customizable 2400 DPI buttons, and it has a very good design. As you can see in the box, image of the mouse is showing here. And what else we can find here, it has 4 DPI adjustable modes. Also in the package is mentioned about the brand name, about the cost, about the price, and this 3 color you will get the mouse. Yeah, it's pretty much it. And also it's written here the mouse is instantly switches between the 4 DPI settings for more precise targeting, ergonomic design for lasting comfort, LED light with bleeding effect, and corresponding gear color flashes when DPI is adjusted. So it has a 1-year warranty. Let's open it. So if you open the box, it will wrap it like this. Yeah, so down here, yeah, and pretty much it. In the box you will see a warranty card. You should keep the warranty card. If anything goes wrong in the mouse, then you can, with the warranty card, you can replace it. It's a product notice. Also, I'm assuming it's a manual. Yeah, it's a quick start manual, so everybody should go through the manual. As you can see in the first page, it is written it has a 3D scroll wheel which made with a metal, and it also has a light, LED button, DPI switch button, 4 buttons. It has 4 levels: forward button, backward button, right, left, and Teflon and optical sensor. So everyone should go through this manual once, then you will understand the functionality of the mouse. And also it's a product support card. So let's unwrap it. Wow, this looks awesome. So I have choose the black one. So this one is a matte finish, and this is a bit glossy. This is a wheel button. As you can see, if I zoom it closer, it's made with a metal here, and this is the button where you can change the DPI settings here. Definitely the model is very good. It is not the bigger mouse, as when I'm holding it, it is not covering my full hand. It's a decent size, and with the design, this two design, it makes it more beautiful and sleek. Yeah, and the white bar here is this for light, the breathing light. Yeah, and also it has a 1.6 meter of wire, braided wire, so it will not be tangled easily. Let me open that. Yeah, and the wire quality also, you can see it's a very good quality wire, like this. Yeah, also as you can see the buttons, this is the 4 buttons. Here the 2 buttons, this is also 1 button, and this is a 2 button, and this is also 1 button. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 6 button it has. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the level and description of the mouse. HP M270. Let's test it. I will connect this mouse with my laptop, and then you will guys able to see the lighting effect, because it will keep on, the light will keep on change, so it will look very good in the dark. Okay, so let me connect this mouse with my laptop. I have my laptop open already. This is my laptop. Just a minute, guys. Oh, also I forgot to mention it has the USB cable, USB A jack, USB A jack. Okay, let me connect. Yeah, so as you can see, the mouse is on, it's working fine. And look at the light, guys. The lighting is awesome. Just keep on changing. So it will go from red to blue, then it will go to the green and then purple, again green, blue, and back to red. So it's keep on like it's on like loop, so it will keep on rotate. Yeah, and also as you can see, I have my laptop open and it is already on. The cursor is working fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You will get a good mouse. So guys, if you you can use it for any purpose. I especially will use for my daily purpose, and sometimes I will use for his office purpose as well. So guys, it's not that much costly. It will cost only $549 as today's price. So guys, if you want to have an experience of a gaming mouse and get a fancy light and all, then and also from a trusted brand, then definitely go for it. So it's not that much costly. It's from a brand HP and it looks very sleek, nice. Yeah, so definitely you can use it. Thank you guys. If you want to have any question, if you want to ask any question, you can drop a comment on the video, and if you like the video, please share the video and the like button in the video. Thank you. See you later.